Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial I'll show you how to make a few things. The first one is going to be a bow shoots multiple projectiles. Then I'm probably gonna add particles to the projectile. And then we are gonna make our custom projectile inflict a debuff. So let's get right into it by opening our CS project. Once you're in here, you should have made a bow script. If you don't know how to make a bow, then I already have a video on that. But if you have already made a bow, then great, let's just get into it then. So now let's go ahead and add a new method. So public override shoot. That's going to be the method we're going to use. And don't delete the return, just type true. Return true basically means that it will shoot normally, but it will also execute this code. I think that's what it means. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a variable, which is going to be max projectiles, or just projectiles. I'm just going to do projectiles. So if you want 3 projectiles to shoot, then you're going to have to type 2, because it's going to add 2, not set the projectiles to 2. So yeah, I want probably just 2 projectiles to shoot, so I want 1 new projectile. So I'm going to type 1. Now, after you're done that, go ahead and do 4, and you can just double tap tab, or never mind, give me a second. Okay, instead of typing brackets, just click on tab, then it will autofill that. Just replace length with or the name of the variable. Okay, so that basically sets it to, it basically repeats to 1 time this code. So let's go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna have to add to random offset, which is going to be or to do that, do vector2 new velocity offset. Okay, it doesn't have to be that long, but I'll just name it that. Do velocity dot rotated by random, I think it is. And in here, let's go and do math helper dot to radiant. What? Dot to radians. There we go. Then here, just do 15. So the degree or the offset should not be more than 30. So that will be just very inaccurate, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh no, you actually have to make the new projectile. So projectile dot new projectile. Just do source position new velocity offset type damage knockback, and this is pretty important. You have to do player dot who am I. If you don't do that, the projectiles probably won't do damage. So that's it. Let's go ahead and try it out in game. Yeah, once you're in game and you have your bow, test it out. Boom, 2 arrows. Should always shoot 2 arrows. And yeah, so it should only consume 1 ammo, but yeah, use 2 arrows. Now let's go ahead and get onto the particles. So if you want your projectile to emit particles, go ahead and go into your custom projectile and just do into here, go in here, do public override AI. There we go. Now in here, do int dust equals to dust dot new dust, and here just do, I think it's projectile dot center. The first one has to be width, just do 1 and 1. Type. Okay, so now the type of the projectile. No, the dust. So just do dust ID dot, and then you can look through all the dust IDs. So for now, let's just do maybe grass, jungle grass. Okay, and now you don't have to do anything else. Boom. And if you want to have no gravity, just do. I think you need to do main dot dust no gravity equals to true. There we go. That should add dust. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, let's test it out. Boom. There we go. Now it has dust. That's pretty good. Now let's go in and do the inflicting debuff on hit. So let's go back into our custom projectile script and do public override on hit NPC. This is very simple, so just do target dot add buff ID dot, let's just do frostburn and just set the time. So 60 is 1 second, 180 is 3 seconds, and yeah, for 1 second you have to do type 60. Yeah, I think it's counted in ticks or frames or something, but yeah, I'll just do 3 seconds. That should, now let's test that out. There you go, let's test it out. Boom. Now it should inflict the frostburn debuff. Okay, that's basically it. And I will show you one more thing. So if you want to add a sound, or never mind, I'll probably do that in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Bye.